Welcome back to Timeline Chronicles. Today we take you on a journey to one of the most enchanting states of India, Sikkim. The land of mountains, monasteries, and mysteries. Sikkim is a small state in the northeastern part of India. Despite being one of the smallest states, it holds immense culture and natural importance. It shares its border with Nepal, Bhutan, Tibet, and the Indian state of West Bengal. This state is home to Kanchenjunga, the third highest mountain in the world, standing tall at 8,586 meters. For the people of Sikkim, Kanchenjunga is not just a mountain. It is considered sacred and it worshipped. Sikkim's history is equally fascinating. Long ago, it was ruled by Chogyals, the kings of Sikkim. The Namgyal dynasty was established in 17th century and they ruled for many generations. For centuries, Sikkim remained a Buddhist kingdom and it was heavily influenced by Tibetan culture. Later, it became a protectorate of India after independence. And finally, in 1975, Sikkim became the 22nd state of India. Sikkim is a land where different communities live together. The major groups are Lepchas, Bhutias, and Nepalis, each with their own traditions, languages, and festivals. Buddhism and the Hinduism are the two main religions, and the state is dotted with ancient and colorful monasteries. The Rumtek Monastery and the Tasheding Monastery are not only the places of worship but also centers of art and culture. Festivals here are celebrated with great joy and spiritual devotion. Losar Festival, it celebrates the Tibetan New Year. Saga Dawa celebrates the life of Lord Buddha, and the unique festival Panglap Sor is dedicated to Kanchenjunga, where people pray for peace and protection. One of Sikkim's great achievements is that it became India's first fully organic state in 2016. Farmers here grow crops without using chemicals and pesticides. Sikkim is also known for its rich biodiversity. Tourists from across the globe come to Sikkim for its natural beauty. Gangtok, the lively capital city. Tisomgo Lake, a glacial lake that changes color with seasons. Nathula Pass, once part of the ancient Silk Route. And of course, the majestic Kanchenjunga National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Today, Sikkim is known for its peace, cleanliness, and eco-friendly lifestyle. From its royal past to its spiritual traditions, from snow-covered peaks to green valleys, Sikkim truly lives up to its name, the land of hidden paradise. This was Timeline Chronicles, bringing you the story of Sikkim. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Timeline Chronicles. Till then, bye bye, take care.